What happened to the amazing life of Derek Bieri from Vice Grip Garage? Derek Bieri, the creator and host of the beloved YouTube channel Vice Grip Garage, has become a household name in the world of automotive restoration and DIY car enthusiasts. With his quick wit, down-to-earth approach, and unmatched passion for resurrecting old vehicles, Derek's rise from a rural upbringing in North Dakota to a renowned internet personality is nothing short of remarkable. But how did Derek Bieri craft such an extraordinary life, and what has kept his story captivating over the years? This deep dive into Derek's journey explores the twists, turns, and triumphs that have shaped his life, from his humble beginnings on a farm to his meteoric rise as an influential automotive creator. A foundation built in North Dakota. Born on May 16, 1984, in Minot, North Dakota, Derek Bieri's early life was steeped in simplicity, hard work, and a hands-on approach to problem-solving. Growing up on a farm, he was surrounded by machinery that required constant upkeep and repair, creating an environment where mechanical skills were not just useful but essential. Under the guidance of his father, grandfather, and uncles, Derek learned how to keep things running with limited resources. Farm life taught him lessons in patience, ingenuity, and making the most of what you had, principles that would later define his career. For Derek, the farm wasn't just a place to live. It was a classroom where he honed his abilities to work with his hands and think critically about mechanical challenges. While most kids were busy dreaming of becoming astronauts or athletes, Derek was already cultivating a passion for cars, engines, and all things mechanical. His love for restoring old vehicles became a core part of his identity, a passion that would one day inspire millions around the globe. The corporate chapter. Despite his love for all things automotive, Derek's early career took a different path. After finishing school, he entered the corporate world, eventually climbing the ranks to hold positions as a company president and even a C-level officer. These roles provided financial stability and career growth, but they also left Derek feeling unfulfilled. As he navigated the structured and often rigid demands of the corporate world, he found himself longing for the freedom and creativity that had defined his time in the garage. The idea of returning to his automotive roots began to take shape, and Derek started envisioning a new chapter, one where he could share his passion for cars with a wider audience. The monotony of corporate life became the catalyst for Derek's bold decision to pivot. Armed with years of hands-on experience and a deep-seated desire to make a difference, he decided to step away from the corporate ladder and forge a new path. The birth of Vice Grip Garage. In 2018, Derek took the leap and launched Vice Grip Garage, a YouTube channel dedicated to automotive restoration, budget-friendly projects, and the art of bringing neglected vehicles back to life. His mission was simple: to prove that anyone, regardless of their resources, could restore old cars with determination, basic tools, and a little creativity. From the very first video, it was clear that Derek's content was unlike anything else in the automotive space. His approachable style, combined with a healthy dose of humor and an unfiltered look at the restoration process, made his channel an instant hit. Whether he was reviving a rusted-out truck that had been sitting in a field for decades or showcasing his unique ability to fix problems on the fly, Derek's authenticity shone through. One of the defining features of Vice Grip Garage was Derek's emphasis on practicality. He made it clear that you didn't need expensive equipment or a professional garage to tackle ambitious projects. By using affordable tools and embracing a trial-and-error approach, Derek inspired countless viewers to roll up their sleeves and get to work. The rise to fame. As word spread about Vice Grip Garage, Derek's audience grew rapidly. By 2024, the channel had amassed over 1.2 million subscribers and garnered more than 250 million views. Fans were drawn not just to Derek's mechanical skills, but to his relatability. He wasn't afraid to show the setbacks, challenges, and outright failures that came with restoring old vehicles, a refreshing contrast to the polished, perfection-focused content often found online. Beyond the numbers, Derek's influence extended to the broader automotive community. He became a regular participant in events like the Hoop Die World Championship and gained additional exposure through his work on Motor Trend's roadworthy rescues. These appearances showcased Derek's talents on a larger stage, introducing his down-to-earth persona to new audiences and cementing his status as a leading figure in the DIY restoration space. Life beyond the garage. While Derek's professional accomplishments are well documented, his personal life adds another layer of depth to his story. Derek shares his journey with his wife, Jessica, and their 3 sons, who often appear in his videos. The family's close bond and shared sense of adventure have become an integral part of Vice Grip Garage, offering viewers a glimpse into the man behind the wrenches. In 2021, the Bieri family made a significant move from Minnesota to Tennessee. The relocation provided them with more space to pursue their interests, including a larger property that allowed Derek to expand his operations. The sprawling Tennessee landscape and the upgraded garage facilities became a backdrop for some of his most ambitious projects yet. Derek's dedication to his family is matched only by his commitment to giving back. A proud patriot and community supporter, he frequently uses his platform to raise awareness for charitable causes, particularly those benefiting veterans and underprivileged communities. His generosity has endeared him to fans, reinforcing the idea that he's not just an automotive expert, but also a genuinely good-hearted individual. Challenges along the way. Like any public figure, Derek has faced his share of challenges. The demands of running a successful YouTube channel while balancing family life and personal well-being can be overwhelming. From managing tight schedules to dealing with the occasional criticism, Derek has navigated these obstacles with grace and resilience. Some critics have questioned the safety of certain techniques or the feasibility of his restoration methods for inexperienced viewers. However, Derek has always been transparent about the fact that his videos are intended to inspire and educate rather than serve as step-by-step guides. He consistently encourages viewers to approach projects with caution and seek professional help when necessary. Despite these hurdles, Derek's passion and authenticity have remained unwavering, allowing him to overcome challenges and continue doing what he loves. A legacy of inspiration. Derek Bieri's journey is a testament to the power of pursuing one's passions. From his humble beginnings on a North Dakota farm to his rise as a beloved figure in the automotive world, Derek has built a legacy that goes far beyond cars. Through his videos, he has inspired millions to embrace creativity, perseverance, and the joy of problem-solving. As he looks to the future, Derek shows no signs of slowing down. Whether he's expanding Vice Grip Garage, collaborating with fellow creators, or exploring new ventures, Derek's story is far from over. For his fans, the amazing life of Derek Bieri is a reminder that with hard work, humility, and a love for what you do, anything is possible.